Hello students, today we are going to start our next lesson, that is the making of a scientist, from our supplementary reader Footprints Without Feet. And this chapter, the making of a scientist, is a biographical account of the life and achievements of Richard Averroet. Averroet won numerous awards for his contribution to biochemistry and molecular biology. It was his fascination for butterflies that opened the world of science to him. So read and find out. After completing or reading this, we will find out how did a book become a turning point in Richard Averroet's life, and how did his mother help him. So see now. At the age of 22, a former scout of the year excited the scientific world with a new theory on how cells work. So this man, Richard Averroet, when he was 22 years old, he was a former scout of the year. He just excited the scientific world with a new theory. He brought a sensation in the scientific world with a new theory on how cells work. Richard H. Averroet and his college roommate explained the theory in an article in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Science. So, Richard H. Averroet, along with his college roommate, explained the theory in an article in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Science. Now, it was the first time this important scientific journal had ever published the work of college students, and it was first time that this scientific journal, Proceedings of the National Academy of Science, it published the work of college students. Now, in sports, that would be like making the big leagues at the age of 15 and hitting a home run your first time at bat. A home run in the game of baseball is when the batter scores a run after running safely around all bases and back to the home plate without stopping. It means that this great success was just like for him, or this great success or achieving this, getting his work published in that journal and getting fame, it was just like to get grand success at the first attempt. Now for Richard Averroet, it was the first time in a long string of achievements in science and other fields. And for Richard Averroet, this was his first success or first achievement in the series of achievements in science as well as other fields. And it all started with butterflies. And starting of all these achievements was just with butterflies. An only child, Averroet grew up north of Reading, Pennsylvania. Averroet, he was only child of his parents and he grew in Pennsylvania. There wasn't much I could do there, he said. I certainly couldn't play football or baseball with a team of one. So he was not having playmates there. He was not having other boys to play with him. No one was there to play with him. So he told it. But there was one thing I could do, collect things. So he said that it was not possible to play baseball or football all alone, but the one thing which he could do all alone, that was to collect the things. So that's all for today. Rest will